Today, we're diving into the features of the Proscenic Q8 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a powerhouse for your home cleaning needs. This device combines mopping and vacuuming with customizable intensity levels to tackle any floor type, using zigzag and matrix clean modes for a spotless finish. With a robust 4,200 pascals suction and a HEPA filter, it's perfect for pet owners, handling hair and dust effortlessly, all while boasting a 3,200 mAh battery that provides up to 200 minutes of cleaning time. The smart 360 degrees LiDAR navigation maps your home in just 15 minutes, optimizing cleaning efficiency and allowing for precise obstacle avoidance, even in the dark. You can create maps for up to 5 levels and set specific cleaning preferences for each room, ensuring a tailored cleaning experience. The upgraded obstacle avoidance system uses advanced sensors to navigate around white walls, stairs, and furniture, reaching under low spaces with ease. Control your cleaning schedule and preferences through the Proscenic App or with your voice via Alexa, Google Home, Siri, or IFTTT, making home maintenance a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.